Hello, my name is Geaw from Thailand. And the question is, are you good at cooking? Well, I am good at cooking for myself. So, like, even though my mother, she used to own a restaurant and she's really, really good at cooking, I cannot cook that well. I mean, the refined dish or something like that, I really cannot do it at all. But if it just for cook for myself, like for my own dinner, just something really easy. Put some like, well, I'm from Thailand, so traditional Thai dishes, and put this and that in together, cook it with rice, and that's finished. Something like that I can do, and I suppose I'm quite good at that, but not some kind of formal cooking, traditional cooking or something like that. I cannot do that.
What foods do I love? Well, I love so many foods, it's very hard to choose from. Let's see. Out of the Italian food category, I think I love lasagna the best. And I think I'm quite like Garfield in that sense. Garfield says, if you love food, then that's it. There's nothing else to do but eat and sleep. So I really love lasagna. The layers of cheese and meat and then the actual pasta itself really, really is delicious. The other thing that I like, say in the Japanese food category, is sashimi. I really like sashimi because I really like raw fish, and it's got all sorts of different sashimi types in Japan. They have, I don't even know. You could just stop that.
Hello, I'm Graciela from Costa Rica. The question is if I prefer local or international cuisine. Honestly, I think that it's a great idea to try food from all different parts of the world, especially if you don't have much money to go and travel outside your country. I think that food is a great way to find out more about culture, history. It's fun to try new dishes, spices, and there's always room for conversation. I think food is one of the most interesting ways to find out more about the world. And if you ever have a chance to try food from different parts of the world, you should definitely do it. Thank you.
Hello, this is Hector from Puerto Rico. The question is, how often do I eat out? Sometimes I eat out pretty often if I'm like in school or I'm usually going out a lot. But lately, since I'm not working right now and I don't have as much money as I used to, sometimes I just eat out when there's nothing at all to eat here. But usually I eat at home. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye.
Hi, my name is Adelina and I come from Spain. The question is, do you prefer coffee or tea? Actually, I like them both. Normally, I like to have coffee in the morning because it helps to wake me up. And in the evening, I like to enjoy a nice cup of hot tea because I think it's very relaxing before you go to bed. Do you agree?
I'm from Vietnam, and my question is, does Vietnam have good cuisine? I would say Vietnam has really good cuisine, and it's very famous all over the world. We have pho, which is beef noodle soup, and then we have banh mi, which is Vietnamese baguette. But overall, well, we have different fruit in different tastes in different regions. For example, in the middle we have really spicy food, whereas in the south people eat really, it's kind of sweet. But overall, what Vietnamese cuisine strive for is a balance in the taste. We have sometimes really salty with the taste of fish sauce, but it's a little bit sweet using all the herbs and ingredients.
Hello, my name is Michael and I'm from Norway, and my question is whether my country's cuisine is any good. And Yes, I would say my country's cuisine is really good. We have the lamb with cabbage dinner called forikol, which I love. And we have ribe, which is basically a whole rib of pork with the skin cut into crates. And then we kind of fry it in the oven until the skin starts popping and it's really crispy. However, most of our good cuisine we usually only eat during special occasions. And actually, a lot of Norwegians lately, they consider frozen pizza as part of our cuisines, which I do not agree with, because I don't think that's related to anywhere in our culture, and I don't think it tastes any good either.